Today we'll be talking about the 5 challenges in leading virtual teams. My name is Nicholas Scarpa, and let's get started. So the biggest challenge in virtual teams is the communication styles. Obviously, when everybody's at their own home or a different place, working off of the computer offline, meeting through Zoom meetings and stuff, there's going to be different distractions, different backgrounds and everything. So sometimes communication style is going to be a little bit different. Some ways to help this is setting specific meeting times, which will allow your employees to know when they have to be at a certain area, just to get some sort of quiet time so that you guys can get through the meeting efficiently and consistently. Another way to do this is, as the leader, being open to different opinions and perspectives from others. By doing this, it shows that you're transparent and it lets other people know that you trust them and you trust the people that you're working with. We'll also be talking about trust here in a minute. Not having the correct tools for work is another big thing. Technology is expensive nowadays, whether it be paying for internet connection or having a computer in general. So being able to supply those for your employees is very important so that they can get the jobs done and that you, the company, and the manager are not falling behind in your tasks. Another good way to prevent this is by having a rainy day fund. If inventory is taken up and there's too many people working there, somebody can go out and they can purchase the things that they need for this new employee so that they can have it there at a quicker time. As I mentioned trust before, trust is important, especially when you're building relationships through virtual teams. You're not there to have that actual personal relationship with somebody else, so you have to be able to trust them just based on what they say through a computer screen while you're working with them. Office culture is huge in the industry. When you have a stagnant group of people and nobody's ever having a good time or sharing laughs, that can create a lot of stress and make the work environment very uncomfortable. So you want to have things to be able to reduce that. And finally, I'd like to talking about catering to the possible needs of virtual workers is important. If there is somebody pregnant or someone with kids who is an employee through a virtual team, providing a way for them to keep up with the work in an efficient and timely manner, even if they don't have to attend every meeting, is very important. So you can keep that staff, especially if they're just struggling at a certain time.